Hey there, it's Abby. Alright you guys, so this is going to be my very first collab video. I'm Meredith, she has a vlogging channel. She reached out to me and asked me to do a collab. Now I've never done a collab before and I was very flattered and I thought, why not? So we had to come up with an idea, and I already had this in my mind to do for you guys, for your partner, your loved ones. And it never hurts to have a few ideas. So if you're new from Meredith's channel, hey there, this whole channel is based on chronic illnesses. I'm the opposite of Meredith. I do more sit-down talks and a little bit of vlogging. She's got adorable kids. I have 2 kids. So I'd love for you to subscribe, join our Spoonie family here. Let's just get started, you guys. So, obviously, spoonies. Not all spoonies are able to work. And for those that are able to work, not all of them can do full-time. So money can be a hard one. But the important part here is to be creative. That's what really matters. And if it's for your partner, your husband or your wife, it doesn't need to cost a lot of money to be special. So I just thought I'd share a few things of what I like to do. Now, I don't just do this on Valentine's Day. I don't think there should be that one day you let people know you love them. Sometimes I like to get little gifts here and there, or I do something different, and I call them my I love yous. Like, I got a little gift off the online for them, for the kids and for Nathan, my husband. And they said, well, what for? And I said, it's just an I love you. Or just because, you know. If you have any ideas that you like to do to share with others, make sure you comment. Stop the video and comment below. Let others know. Okay? Could help others out. Alright, one of the things I really like to do, I like to leave a little I love you notes. Now, it could be just little love notes on the mirror. I use these dry eraser markers, or if you don't even have those, grab a bar of soap. It cleans off good, and when you decide to wash it off, it'll keep your mirror from fogging up. I like to leave little notes in his lunchbox, or if I happen to be driving out of town where he works, I will leave one of his favorite little treats or a little something in his truck for him. Because then when, you know, if he's having a bad day and he hops in his truck and he sees a little note or a little treat with a note, you know, it just feels good. He's done the same for me, and it's made up for some really crappy days. Another thing is to feel your best. You have little plans where you can actually go on a date because it's been so long. Forget everything else. Forget about the dirty load of laundry. Let it go. Today, just take the day to treat yourself, treat your loved one, and just forget about it. I've had to do it several times because by the time you're done working on cleaning the house, doing this and doing that, and you don't want to do anything else. So use the day ahead of time as a little bit of rest time. Maybe the day before that, get all your things done, because today you're not allowed to do it. Whatever day you decide you want to do these things, that's what you should do. Kind of like pre-plan it. What I like to do is start my day is usually take the shower the day before, so then I don't have to, especially if you're not feeling so great. Sometimes a shower can really overdo it, as sad as that may sound. But you can, I like to braid my hair the day before. You guys know that my hair is already really curly. But to get it to look a little bit nicer, I will braid it the night before, after a shower. And then it'll be curly in the morning. And then I like to paint my face. Just throw a little bit on, make yourself feel good, because even on my worst days, I like to do something with my face. It's just a little mood booster. Makes you feel a little bit better. Not make you feel so icky like you do on the inside. Kind of hide it a little bit, you know. It's a day where I do everything I can to say yes to my husband. Don't get me wrong, it's draining, but sometimes I feel like I just have to do that. Another fun one I have done for Nathan too before is make him a CD. Like me and Nate, we've been together for 15 years, so there's been a lot of songs that we have played together, or played for each other, or sent it to each other, or had them listen to. I would like to put it on a CD and record it. Not sure how to do it. You can YouTube it. I just download songs on there and I make a CD and I give it to him with little hearts or something on. He loves that. He really likes that. Who doesn't like music? It's a win-win. If you're really not feeling good at all, make it your night in. Just get yourself some silky PJs and your husband or boyfriend some silky PJs. There's these fun couple questions. I think they're called couple questions, and if I can remember to, I will share them with you guys. And they're really fun, different kind of questions to get to know them in a different kind of way. Like sometimes you think you can know everything about that person, but it could be so much more. So those are really fun to do. Bust out card games, get out some popcorn, watch a movie together. You know, you just make it a little fun date night. Like I said, it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day. You know, if you're single, treat yourself. Treat a friend. Your kids, I usually leave little notes for them. I could put them in their backpack, or usually I just put it on the counter. So in the morning, they have a little Valentine's treat, and they have a little letter, and I tell them I love them and stuff. It could be your mother. It could be your best friend. It could be anybody, okay? Anybody. And if you feel you don't have anybody, or if you really don't have anybody, go treat yourself. Go get your nails done or your hair done. Or if you're a man, go out fishing for the day. Get a buddy and go hang out. Just be creative. You don't have to spend loads of money to tell that person you love them or that you care for them. Another year, I gave Nate a killer foot rub and neck rub and back rub. It was sore, but he loved it, and we had a fun time. We share laughs and we do things, you know. The whole point is time. Time is valuable. You could have $1 million sitting in your pocket, and it's not going to buy you a minute of time. Spend time with the loved ones, and just let them know you care. Just the best way you can. Okay? That was the whole point of this video. And make sure you check out Meredith's channel and see what kind of ideas she has. I don't know what she has on there, so hopefully we don't have the same ones, but we'll find out. If we do, well then you know they're really good. Alright, tell me what you guys like to do and which one of these you thought were good or something you want to do. I love hearing from you guys. You guys are so fun to talk to. And I hope you're doing alright. If not, hang in there. And I will see you in the next video. Alright, love yous.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case,